Valvetronic exhaust system on the Nissan 370z Nismo edition. So before we start doing the build on the car, I thought I'd do a sound check to see how loud the Nismo stock exhaust system is, so we can compare it against the performance exhaust that we're going to be doing later. So when I turn the car on right now, okay, so it's sitting at about 70 decibels when it was turned on, and then I'll give it a couple revs. Alright, so it maxed out at about 95. I couldn't really see what it says on there, but you guys can see what it is. Now we'll be comparing of what it sounds like before and after, so we can get a good understanding of what the difference of performance exhaust system will add to it. Alright guys, so we're going to see how loud the car is with the Valvetronic system that we've added to the car. So when I turn the car on right now, so that's with the valves closed, and then the valves are open now. Alright, we'll give it a couple revs. Okay. I'll close the valve. Alright, so you've seen what the difference adding a Valvetronic exhaust system does to the car. It increases the sound of the car as well as it makes it sound really nice. Alright guys, so we finished the build on this beautiful Nissan 370z. You've seen in the clips before the cinematic shots of how good this car looks with the wheel setup and the red and black theme all the way through. It looks really good and it looks really sporty from the outside. It really needed a sports exhaust to sound nice. Now that we've added the sports exhaust to the car, it sounds perfect as well as it looks really good. If you're interested in getting your full exhaust system for your Nissan 370z or any other Valvetronic exhaust system, you can contact me on Facebook, Instagram, and I'll be sure to get back to you. I hope you guys like this video. See you later, guys.